I always wait for a chance to ride my G310R, but this time there was a good gap of couple of months and I wanted to start fresh. That meant getting new oil and filters, so this video will be on the air filter replacement on the G310R. So let's start this by taking the seat off to get access to the bolts underneath. Let me point them out for the ease of understanding, and all these are 5mm hex bolts, so you will only need a 5mm Allen key from the BMW provided toolkit or a 5mm hex socket to carry out this job. As you can see, we have 3 hex bolts under the front seat area. Then there are 2 hex bolts holding the tank cover from each side of the motorcycle. There is one in the front of the tank and it's a tight space between the tank and the handlebar. Then there are 2 hex bolts holding the tank cover from each side of the motorcycle. So let's start by taking them out one by one. Most of these bolts here have got either soft rubber or plastic washers that separate the metal fasteners from the plastic panel. So keep them in check and place them securely on a fastener tray, or better if you can steal that serving tray from your mom's kitchen. So once we are done with all the hex bolts, we can wiggle that tank cover out by pulling it upwards. So this is how the tank looks with the cover off, and that's the intake in front of it for the air filter box. We have to unclip these 2 clips to get access to the air filter. This is the engine side of the air filter, while the other end will expose all the dirt and dust accumulated. As it can be seen, the filter elements are full of dirt trapped in, essentially restricting the ideal airflow expected by the engine. This is more evident when we compare the old and new filters side by side. By the way, I got the new filter from my nearest TVS service. You can check the part number in the video for your reference. The air filter box was cleaned from inside with a dry microfiber cloth. The box was closed and then the tank was sprayed and wiped with a neutral shampoo and microfiber cloth. The same was done to the intake piece as well. And things looked much better after that. The new air filter was installed and the intake piece was clipped back in its place. The tank cover was put back, aligned, and then the respective bolts were secured. Don't use any power tool to install these fasteners, as it may crack the plastic panels and mounts, resulting in rattles and vibrations. The trick here is to do a final round of tightening after you are satisfied with the panel alignment. And that is how I replaced the air filter on my G310R after doing 9,000 plus kilometers. I won't call this a complex job, but it has got a lot of unbolting and bolting requirements, especially if you just want to check on the air filter condition. I personally prefer the underseat or side mounted filter location found on the 390 Adventure, the Speed 400 or most Enfields. Post air filter replacement, the engine always responds better and you can feel that better breathing with the RPM climbing. I did this replacement at around 9,000 plus kilometers. Let me know your air filter replacement interval in the comment section. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.